hold the fence.
I got my knee on it.
I'm waiting for the thing to start up.
That might have almost.
Hardcore? Are you actually kidding me?
Oh my
This
god.
is the worst time.
Holy.
Delete like 1,000 photos.
Oh, wait, erase scene including photo. Alright. I think I gotta get a new card.
Yeah, that's why I have 2 cards.
I have like none.
Oh.
Or,
Okay.
I guess.
Flapping them up
Guess
and
we're doing
down.
that. I think it's better to delete my videos. Where's that one day? Because I recorded like 20 videos. Probably like,
Oh, holy, these guys look cool.
Yeah, I'll erase my dog. Yeah.
I've always wanted to see one of these guys next to a Chinook.
I'm gonna turn that to single shoot. Alright. See you back there.
Yep, it's simultaneous. It's so satisfying. So look at, oh yeah, I think it's loud. It's a little loud. Yo, I got a piece of rock in my mouth. Oh my God. I just got a piece of rock in my mouth. That was crazy.
Oh, this shoulder isn't my way.
Yeah, I'm right behind your head, by the way. I still can't get it home.
I know, this person's shoulder. I'll park it.
Yo, you got me shot.
So crowded.
And again, and again.
What if there's a better...
Why is he just hovering
If it goes
there?
this way, that'll be the best.
I hope it climbs really high if it goes the other way. But why is he just hovering there, bro? going backwards. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I gotta record that.
WRCAF.
Okay, that was insane. Oh my god. That was
WRCAF.
first
Can
thing
you
that popped
not
in my
shake
mouth.
the line, please?